Alright, so we got a 2004. Yeah, I think it's a 04 or 03. I can't remember. I do too many of them. Chevy Avalanche 1500. We did a complete rebuild. I did a stage 2 cam, long tube headers. The customer had like all his own exhaust set up that he wanted installed. Corvette mufflers. Dude, wait till you hear this. Let's do a cold start for this morning. Let's do it. Ready? This thing came out so freaking awesome. I gotta say. Yeah, Mikkel, he owns Fab 270. He does all of our fabrication work. He does excellent work. He is the best fabricator that I know. He did the entire exhaust system. Let's hear it. Ready? The cold start. Let's see what we got. Chevy Avalanche, dude. Sounded like a damn Corvette. Lord. Yes. You can't even be mad at that. Oh my God. Yep. So, probably one of the best builds. I say that every time though, but it's the exhaust, man. Linked up with all that. Jesus Christ. You gotta love this shit. I do. I fucking love it. It's amazing. Woo!